Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Like really good, like super quick. I'm done in 2 minutes, just like that. Hit my target, hit the very top, and done. So I was actually getting in early, right at the VWAP around this area. I think VWAP was somewhere here, but I just can't get in because I am restricted to get in around 9:30. So I waited. I actually missed like a 20-cent move, so I actually entered somewhere here, and I get filled here around like here because it's late for a breakout at this level, and then all the way up and up and up and down. Yeah, just like that. So let's have a quick look at our watch list. And yeah, just sometimes you just have to trade one and done. I actually wanted to re-enter somewhere here, but I said nah, I'm not giving back anything. And yeah, it was a quick, no hassle-free trade. Yeah, and let's have a quick look. So today we have a lot of movers, but trading the open is very dangerous and very scary. So you really have to pick the best ones. So I will always pick the best 3 for my list, and it happened that AMAT was one of the movers, and it was here showing up live. So we have a lot, like crazy. So normally I ignore the yellow ones, this one, so I pick LN was, you know what, maybe we can what's this, we can look one by one, but normally I look at the pre-market. LN was no, it's not. Pre-market was really bad. You can see let's move this up a bit like that so you can see it. Okay, one sec, give me 1 sec. Yeah, so let's look at LN. I'll show you how I pick stocks. Okay, like right before the open, like let's say somewhere here. Okay, let's look at LN. There's nothing, right? As you can see, LN was there. No, nothing moving in pre-market, so I did not trade that. As you can see, it did not move at all. So let's look for the second one. CGC was in my list, so I actually picked CGC, OXY, and AMAT. So I'm gonna show you how I normally pick stocks. So CGC was not really my top one. AMAT was my top one. So yeah, so there's there's movement, but let's see what happened. And this could be an opening range breakup, but stock is gap down and there's no volume in the first minute, and it's below VWAP, so I don't want to take it long if it's below VWAP, right? So I did not trade that. So let's look. Next one was CNP. This one, let's see, CNP. Yeah, it's very choppy, so that's why I did not trade it. And see, it didn't move. Well, it moves crazy here, but there's no volume. So yeah, I did not trade that. CNP, BTI, I checked. Yep, ugly. So let's Roku. No, it's too expensive. I only trade Roku when I got nothing else to trade. So this one, no. Oxy, yes, it's in my list, but I kind of like how it moves. Like there's levels. Like normally if it's me, I'd long somewhere here, but the thing is it opened right just, and there's no volume in the first minute, so I did not trade it. Yeah, so like you can probably get in a VWAP and then all the way up. Yep, see, look at that, it hit my level. Imagine if you just kind of entered somewhere here at this line, just VWAP, entered here all the way up, right? Yeah, it looks easy to look at, but you have to look at the price action and everything, and level 2 time in sales. Oxy, BTI, Grub was it has like a heavy short float, so I'm very careful with this ones. Yeah, see, heavy short float, and they won. There's no volume first 2 minutes, and it just dumped. Yeah, but this one's probably pretty good. Oh no, it's back to previous day high. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, you can probably short this. This short float won, so yeah, probably made $4 move here. Yeah, right. So it was not in my list. JD, no, it's JD's banned to me, so I didn't even check it. So this one no, this one, nope. AMAT, yep, that's the one I traded. AMAT, so that's the one I traded. Oh, now it's back to 62.40. It's probably pretty good to short somewhere here at 62.40 when I think it's gonna go there. 62.40, yeah, 62.30. Yeah, it's gonna slowly touch this and probably hold. AMRN, nope. AMRN, I don't like AMRN, but let's look how it moves. Oh, see, imagine if you're doing 1 minute or AMRN, it's too far from view up, you probably get stuck in here. Maybe you re-enter here. Oh man, you're just gonna get stuck. So normally you probably short it here to view up and then take profit here. But this is a gap up stock, so it'll be tough to trade since it's too far from VWAP. I prefer trading within the VWAP area. That's what I did to AMAT. If you look, AMAT, just, yeah, it's right at the VWAP area. Actually, VWAP areas was 60.40 somewhere, so I was late. I was 20 cents late, so I had to widen my stop. So RH, nope, it's a low float, so I don't trade that. But let's look. Yeah, nothing. So FTCH, yeah, choppy, no volume the first 2 minutes. So yeah, you don't want to trade that, right? So I don't know, man, like sometimes I just get very, very lucky which ones to pick. Sometimes I just look at I think this one's pretty good too. Like if you look, pretty good, but it did nothing at all at first minute. So I don't know, somehow I just get lucky picking stocks at the open. So yeah, so that's it. So let's watch my my video and let's have a quick look. Here, so I'm gonna play this just in real time, so I'm gonna explain you how and why I traded AMAT, and it's my first list. It's number 1, second was Oxy, and third was CGC. So yeah, let's watch. 4 seconds to the open. Ding ding ding. Open, market open. So when the market opens, I look at levels and what's this, and orders. So I'm seeing a big order here. So this is, if this goes up here, maintains here, dumps here, 60, I probably short it. But the stock is gapped up, so you really have to be careful. You have to be careful shorting it. And then there, you see a level here. Let's see what happens. So give it probably 30 seconds. I see orders here. I'm sure this will get filled. And this one ATR is very useful for me. I can tell how much it moved, how much this candle moved. So it moved 10 cents already, right? I see a lot of selling pressure, probably just taking profit. And I see a lot of huge orders, especially this one. So 60.65, I'm looking around somewhere here. 60.65, checking VWAP. VWAP is 60.40. So if I'm going to enter, it should be at VWAP 60.60 target, somewhere here to 60.89, 60.19, 60.98. But the thing is, there's two big orders here, right? 60 and 60.65. So that's like a 65 cent. You know, they're gonna like fight with each other. Either this one will get filled or this one will get filled. So they're kind of like the same. So you have to be careful. And this is the open. Normally open, people wait till it moved, till where it will move. but for me, I like trading the open because it has the volume. Yeah, so let's look. So I see big orders 32, VWAP is 30, it's going up, up, up. Now it's at VWAP. Not yet. Now it's increasing, right? You see that? It's now at VWAP. It moved 23 cents. This is actually where I want to enter. Let's see where I sent my order. So yeah, here 60.65, right? So you see a lot, and those, I told you, right, like 60.65 is probably where the big order is. More orders came in. Here I entered 60.55, risking probably 40 cents because it moved 40 cents. I did not get filled because the time is only 9:30:22, so I missed it. 60.65, let's look closely. 60.65, you see more prints getting in. Now it's 60.70. There you go. I was late, so I was late for probably just a few seconds because I can't trade. I actually entered at 60.65. Let's say I entered at 60.65, right? So I probably already have half hour, which is, you know, because 60.65, then around 60.80, that's like half hour already. But I probably won't take profit yet until it goes to 61. You see more big orders like this. So it looks like it's gonna break. Now I'm too late. Now it moves 75 cents. I'm telling myself, why I only can get in here because it's only 9:30. So sometimes I prefer getting early. Sometimes I can get early, but sometimes I get chopped. So this move is huge, so you really have to be careful. So my VWAP is around 40, so that's like 60 cents, right? But I still got in the same risk, which is 40 cents. I think I got in. I waited. Yeah, that's the thing. So I didn't want to take profit. I didn't want to get in here because it's too wild already. So I was looking at VWAP 40. So I probably can get in around 80 area, which is, I think, here now. This is probably where I entered. Yep. So I get filled 60.83. So yeah, which is really good. I get filled 60.83. There you go. So now I have 60.83, looking to break this 61, 60.83, risking 40 cents. 60.83, VWAP is 60.40 area, so I'm risking VWAP 40 cents. It's huge size as well. So 61, let's break. Probably take profit somewhere here. 60. Yep, this is okay. I took a little bit, which is probably, I don't know, 25%. Took some off, and I was wait when I took profit. I was waiting if the price holds. Yep, I took more because the price hold. 60.49, 60.50. I probably should take in more because I'm at my 2R now. 2R move. So 25%, 25%, 25%. There you go, all out, because it was kind of holding. Let's look what happened there before I took profit. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, all out just like that. So 61.90, 61.89. That's where I took everything out, just like that. Because I said this is huge. Imagine it moved like $1, right? So I was just risking 40 cents here, and VWAP were somewhere here. You know, why not take everything off? This is a huge move, right? So yeah, that's how I trade the open. I sometimes I don't look at the candle anymore. I just look at the price lines and the what's this timing sales. Yeah, so I learned this through experience. Being a trader for me is you have to know yourself, you have to know your weakness, you have to know your strength. For me, it's all about technicals. The way I trade is all about technicals. So you know, which, and trading is all about volume. Wherever the volume is, that's where the move happens, right? So when I'm checking this one has like 2 million volume in the first 3 minutes. This is the highest. So Oxy right now has 670 volume, 600,000, and CGC has 300,000 volume and 2 million for AMAT. That's a lot for a $60 stock. 2 million volume is a lot. So 2 million at the open, that's crazy, right? 2 million. Yeah. So hope you guys like it, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any friends who has the same interest, please share them this channel, and I'll greatly appreciate that.